How to send money from Chase Bank to another bank. If you want to send money from Chase Bank to another bank, all you have to do is you can simply open up your browser and visit chase.com, or you can simply log in from your Chase mobile banking application. And once you've done that, you will see this type of interface. Now, what you might want to do is you might actually first have to log into your account. So without logging in, you can't send money. So make sure you have online or mobile banking, and you want to go to their respective website and their apps, and then just make sure to go ahead and enter your username and then your password, and then just click on the sign in button. Once you've signed into your respective online or mobile banking account, you can go to the send money option, where you'll find, and you can also scan someone's QR code and send money to that, or you can enter their bank account number and their name and every detail that is expected, the amount of money that you'd like to send, and verify and send and make the transaction. This way you'll be able to send money from Chase Bank to another bank. I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.